Got a couple PR packages, so let's go ahead and unbox these bad boys. For starters, we got this one from Filstership. No idea. Oh, these are fun little spicy drink guys. They're little cocktail mixes. Look at that. Isn't that fun? That's from company Craft Mix. Thank you very much. Next, we have this bad boy here. It looks like it's from Alani Nu. Always love getting Alani Nu packages because we use them. They send a lot of energy drinks, supplements, stuff like that. We use the shit out of them. And it looks like 4 mini cans of energy drink. Little mini energy drink guys. Shout out Alani Nu, thank you. And it was hair up. And last but not least, this one. Not sure who this is from. Let us see. Whoa! Are these Dockers? For real? Yo! Dockers just sent their new pony. Look at these guys. This is... Damn. These are nice. I gotta try these on now. That's crazy. They're kind of fire though. Yo. I'm a fan.